Did you know most stock vehicle seats are too flat to provide the support you need? The flat angle doesn't provide enough thigh support and keeps your back from fully resting into the lumbar support of your seat. Even if you crank it all the way, most people still reach for a pillow or other back support. That's where these come in. Born out of necessity for when the drive becomes a pain, these are seat jackers by Desert Does It. When you're sitting behind the wheel for a while and get muscle fatigue, back pain, or dead legs, these are your solution. Basically, they lift the front end of your seat to achieve an optimal angle and put your spine in a natural and neutral position to alleviate pressure on your back and legs for a more comfortable ride, even after long drives. Installing seat jackers is simple, can be done in 15 minutes, and I wasn't sure how much of a difference these would make, but this was my first reaction to sitting in my truck with seat jackers for the first time. But if you don't want to take my word, you can check out the other thousands of 5-star reviews. Every seat jacker is designed and engineered specifically for the unique shape of your vehicle make and model using factory grade or better hardware. They've got a patented design, are made here in the USA using domestic source materials and local partners wherever possible. So I encourage you to experience the oh wow moment for yourself. Your body will thank you.